Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change match level in event of eFootball 2024. So are you going easy or going hard or challenge yourself in this event? Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. Tap the dream team, for example, and tap the events, and please choose the event that you want to play. Here I'm choosing the first one. Tap continue, the Italian club. So as I mentioned before, you can change your match level. Just tap this match settings and the first one, match level. If you are new player or beginner, I recommend you to play this one, beginner, amateur, or the regular one. So please play step by step. If you are not, I mean, never play a football game, just play a beginner. If you are ever play once for a time, just tap the amateur. But if you are sometimes play in other console like a PlayStation, you can tap the regular. But if you are often play every day playing this eFootball in PlayStation, you can try the professional, top player, superstar, even a legend one. But I recommend you to play the professional or regular. This is a to enjoy this event, not too much, not too easy, but it's not too challenging, but it's a realistic one for me. So please choose your own preference based on your how you master this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click text button below. Enjoy the game.